All right, here's our layout for the laundry room. I want to send this to you to make sure we're good. All right, here's our layout for the laundry room. Don't mind this right now, but our drawers for dog food, pull outs behind here, pull out under, pull out here, this panel, the closet rod. Here's the elevation view of it, the drawers, the pull outs, pull out, pull out. The other side, the freezer would fit here. These are all 24 deep. This is all open, no shelves, adjustable shelves here. There's no pullouts on this side. Space for the ironing board. This cabinet's only 7.5 deep. And on the side behind this ironing board cabinet is an open cabinet. Open cabinet here and a door above. Here's the ironing board cabinet. But let me know if this is what they want to see here. Thanks.